Struggling to create custom add-to-cart links for your WooCommerce store? Simplify your shopping experience with a single click. Promote products, offer exclusive deals, and enhance user engagement through social media and email campaigns. Let's unlock the potential to attract and retain more customers effortlessly. How to add WooCommerce add-to-cart link to any WordPress page. Default add-to-cart options in WooCommerce. WooCommerce provides a default add-to-cart button on product pages, allowing users to easily add items to their cart. This button also appears in related product sections, making it convenient for customers who are already browsing the site and viewing product details. What is a custom WooCommerce add-to-cart link? A custom add-to-cart link in WooCommerce is a URL that lets users add specific products to their cart with one click. This makes it easy to promote items in marketing campaigns or emails, allowing customers to skip the product page. Now go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Products, and choose All Products. Then find the product ID. We will need this to create a custom add-to-cart link. Where you find the product ID depends on your product type. To create the link, you need to append add-to-cart equals ID to your domain address. All you'll need to do is replace the ID with the product ID you want to add to the cart upon clicking on the link we will create. Go to the cart page and check, your product will be added to the cart, and you can try this from any WordPress page. Additionally, to create a custom add-to-cart button on a WordPress page, click on the page you want to edit, click Edit Page. Then press the plus icon to add a button. Name the button. Paste your custom add-to-cart link. And update the page. Now, clicking the button will add the product to the cart. This is how to add WooCommerce add-to-cart link to any WordPress page. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.